Hello, my name is Job Daniel Martin M. Solarde, and today we're going to do an experiment for Science 803. The title of this experiment is Oxidation Reaction. The objective of this experiment is to see what gas powers flames. Materials we're going to need are as follows: a glass, a small candle, petri dish cover, and a candle already lit up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna light up our small candle. Okay. So wait for this to melt. Come on. Drop this. Okay, so we're gonna do it like that. So it will stand. Then we can blow out the candle. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this glass here. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. So I'll point to you what's going on. So as you can see, the candle is burning up and it's off. So it's misty. So literally. So what happened is when we put the jar over, there was an amount, the volume of this jar, the volume inside the jar held enough air for this candle to stay alight for a while, since air is made out of 28% oxygen and 72% nitrogen with 1% other gases. The 28% oxygen in the gas that I stored in this jar before I put it over the candle, there was enough oxygen to keep it alight for how many seconds? 10 seconds before it went out. So all those oxygen was converted into carbon dioxide. So it was like a whatever. So all the 28% oxygen was gone, and probably the 28% oxygen is now 28%. What? Hmm? How many percent nitrogen?
78.
Oh, sorry, the opposite. 21 oxygen and 78 nitrogen. Okay. The 21% oxygen was converted to 21% carbon dioxide. I don't know. Maybe since all the oxygen was burnt out. Yeah, whatever.
Where did the carbon come from to form carbon dioxide?
It came from the candle wick. So that's all for today's video. This part is an extra for the experiment on oxidation reaction using candles. So, the additional material we're going to use is water. You might ask why water. We're going to light this candle up, the one we lit up earlier, which is on the watch glass, the petri dish. We're going to put water in here. Just put enough water that the petri dish is covered in water. There. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the jar on top of it, like what we did, and I'll point the camera down so that you'll see it. What will happen? So we're gonna put the jar, and the flame dies out, the water, it's bubbling inside the jar. Oh, so you can see as I move it closer. Oops. the water went in the jar. It was spread evenly around this petri dish, but now it's still filling up with water until now. Bubbles of water. And if we remove it, it sticks. No, there you go. And the carbon dioxide is going out of the jar. So what happened is when we put the jar. Oh, okay. When we put the jar on top, all the oxygen burned. So probably my conclusion that all the 21% oxygen in the air inside this jar was wrong. Since there was a bit of a vacuum, so the water came in to fill that vacuum. So that's the experiment, and that's the extra part, and that's all for today. Thank you.